Today's video is sponsored by absolutely no one, since I'm not famous and my channel is very small. But please like and subscribe so we can change that. I want to take you all back in time to the year 1977. Jimmy Carter was inaugurated president. The Apple II computer was the baddest thing on the block. Elvis had officially left the building. Star Wars Episode 4 A New Hope releases in theaters. And finally, we had the release of Yashica FR1. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 1977. Now, I'm not sure if it's pronounced Yashica or Yashica. Wait, hold up.
Yashica.
Okay, Yashica. So I found this one at a garage sale a couple of years ago. It was about $10, and I decided to pick it up and give it a shot. This is a very heavy camera. You can tell that it's built very well. It's made of solid metal, so it makes it very heavy to carry on adventures, but I do love the build quality, and this thing is built like a tank. One of the things that attracts me to cameras is how they're designed. These old vintage cameras were beautiful, something that a lot of modern cameras are now trying to emulate. I also like the way they sound. Here, take a listen. The only issue with this camera is that because of its age, it now has a light leak, and it came like that, and I didn't realize it until I started developing the first rolls of film. But I don't really mind the light leak. It kind of gives the images a very dreamy look, and I'll show you what I mean at the end of the video. So you're not going to see my face in this one. I need a haircut. I'm just being real with it. I look like garbage. The clip you saw earlier, that was me when I first bought this camera. So without further ado, I'm just going to show you the results and get to it. Let me know what you think about the Yashica FR1 in the comments below. Do you have this camera? Do you like this camera? Do you hate it? Let me know. Also, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy the images.